1 kilo, take 1. Mark.
Ready?
Mark.
Action! I've been working with Chris now for about 6 years. It's been a hell of a journey. We've gone from San Francisco to Prague, now to Hollywood, where we're doing full set builds, working with extras and costumes. We're traveling through multiple time periods in history. So this is a glamorous, no-holes-barred Hollywood cinematic Super Bowl style ad.
My name is Chris Haroun, and I'm the founder of Haroun Education Ventures with a mission to make education affordable and accessible. I've been partnering with Adad and AdadFilms since 2017. I had so much fun making this commercial for my comprehensive Excel course. This feels like a Super Bowl commercial. It takes you back in time. It's got elements of Star Wars, Harry Potter, Gladiator, and The Office. Adad and his team are so experienced that many of them have worked on television shows and movies that we've all heard of. He also has an incredible network, getting us access to filming on the best locations. He was even able to get us the same set Bradley Cooper's movie American Sniper was made. His team is off the charts. They don't have a job, they have a passion. And I feel like I'm partnering with George Lucas and Steven Spielberg to create the most epic commercial ever.
I'm doing good. Everything's looking great.
The project came to me through Adad. He and I worked together previously on a short film called The Hard R. And he came to me and said, Jamie, I have this project. It's pretty wild. And so if you know me, you know I love good challenges. And came up with the budget, found the crew, cast the background actors. I'm very, very proud of how the project came out. I am grateful for everyone involved. Everyone worked so hard. It was not easy, but man, it came out really good, and I'm very, very happy about it. And I can't wait to show you all.
I love challenge, so this was a very unique set, and we are one piece of the whole puzzle. My job is to come up with a concept very quick to bring a lot of elements to make this happen. It was a very challenging process. My art director, Sydney, all this time helping me. Jesse, the prop master, and my right hand, Ashley and Tony and Gabe and Paola, they all make a great team.
Hey, we're doing great, man. We're here in ancient Mesopotamia. Got the camera on the ladder doing a wide shot, and first shot of the day, so we got all of our extras looking good, man.
I can't tell you how fortunate I feel to have been invited to collaborate and work on Excel Through the Ages. It's been such a fun team, and we've had such a good time exploring ideas to really try and make it feel cinematic and immersive. Whether I'm designing clock sounds out of sand or recording animals for some of the period accurate ambiences, it has been nothing but fun. And I really think it's going to show through in the final product how far above and beyond this team has gone to make this educational course that feels immersive and engaging and thought-provoking for people of all ages and experience levels.
I can't thank my crew enough, who helped wrangle this beast of a production together. Without them, this commercial would not be possible, and so many others that I can't thank enough. I am Assyrian, descended from ancient Mesopotamia, and it was just a pleasure to be able to recreate my ancestors' homeland in that ancient Mesopotamian market. And I got to work with my cousin, Shadokina, who was an actor in this production, as well as Emmanuel, another Assyrian actor in LA. And lastly, I want to thank Chris.
We have a great team here. Everybody's amazing. And I just want to thank everybody for their patience with me. We're getting there.
He is fearless. He is kind. He's a great actor, contrary to what he might tell you. And I really admire his vision, bringing education to as many people as possible around the world. I'm really excited to show all of you what we've created and to bring this exciting Excel course to you all.
I humbly believe that all problems in the world can be solved with TEA, technology, education, and acceptance. And that was the topic of my TEDx talk I gave back in 2016. This is not your ordinary Excel course. This is an experience. It won't feel like a course or you're in school or a class. It'll feel like an adventure, and it'll help you take your career to the next level.